Hi guys. So today I'm going to demonstrate a small application which I created, and this application basically works on the option data. So for today's market, how it worked. So today was a little bit downside. So let me show you how it works first of all. So what are the key concepts? So concepts are basically what I'm looking at is whenever there uh, is some candle which is a bit greater than there are some candles which are having a body size of, I mean, the main body of the candle is about 70 to 80%. So this kind of candle I have taken in account. So with this kind of candle, what I'm going to do is uh, I'm going to run this code, and it will help you in understanding like when my order has been taken, so you can get a fair idea about this. So let me first demonstrate it. So I'm running this application, and I'm running it for the like today's date, and this is 25,800 PE. So let me run this. So this is the application. This is a Flask application hosted in my local. So I'm running it like I've created a counter. This is my first candle. So on the first candle I have no entry. So this is depicting like timestamp, and it's open, high, low, and it is telling me like it's bullish or not. It's bullish, but strength is weaker. Okay, so this how like on this matrix. Then now this is true bullish and super strong candle. So here my entry would be there. So I have taken, my code has taken the entry, and once either it take a stop loss, so stop loss would be like 20 points and the target would be 60 points. So I've configured this. So let's see how it happens. So here you can see I'm clicking it manually. Then you can see like, so here I'm clicking on the 48 counter. It is 49, 50th, 51, 52, 53, now 57, 58, 59. So you can see like I got the entry at 103 and my exit is the exact 60 points. So in this trade, I had a profit. Okay. So again, I am just uh, because in the market I will remain at the, I've taken it to 330 basically. So last time, let's see. So total profit you can see it is 5977. Okay. So if you have taken this put according to this algo, so this could be the profit. So what could I do? Uh, Let me again rerun because I'm a little bit unsure about this thing. I am unsure. Maybe I have not set the counter right, so but it is right. I can see it. So this is I'm again running it. Let's see how it goes. And this is the same point. Let's see, I want to just rerun. Sometime it could be like some technical glitch. I just want to check. I want to just verify this thing. So that is for sure, like 103 is the point where my entry has been done. So little bit I am sure about this thing. Now let's check how it goes. So I believe everything is working fine as per here. So let's check it. I think the code worked fine. I can show you also, like once the candle is there on chart also we can see that actually momentum came afterwards. Like you can see big. Uh, so I have put na like target is 60 points. So that's why it has taken the entry here, and it has exited from this position. But again the condition is super strong, so might be it has taken again the. So at this point it has again purchased. Let's see how it goes. I'm not sure because machine is something na you say then they don't think like us, right? They just perform. So that is the beauty sometimes, and sometimes it could be wrong also, but like so maths totally. So totally you can see like 6,000 profit with this 800 put, and so that was the thing. And if you want to go on the chart, let me go there and I can show you. This was the chart, and because I am using fires, so let me show this thing. So might be like this candle, it has taken the entry like 103 because it's a complete like more than the body of some criteria. So it's a bullish candle, so it has taken the entry here, and the rest it rided it. So just to show like sometimes this algo can work fine sometimes, so it has to check on the all market conditions. So just I want to make this video short. So if you like the content, then please press the like button and also just share it across all platforms. Thank you very much.